Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're making some delicious cheese burst mushroom pizza. So it is the mushroom version of the cheese pizza, but of course you can skip the mushroom. But let's get started with this delicious yummy cheese burst pizza. So first let us see the cheese pull. Let's see. So here I have some pizza dough from a pizza recipe that I've made earlier. So you can check that out. I'll link it in the description. Yeah. So you just want to stretch the dough and knead it properly to make it a bit soft and stretchy. And then simply take out some balls out of it. So here I'm taking one ball, spreading some corn flour on the surface, and then rolling the dough with a rolling pin. Now this should be a bit thick, and then you just have to cook it on the stove. So you don't have to cook it properly like a roti, but partly you have to cook it like this. And you can see the thickness. As I told you, you have to keep the roti thick. Now take another ball of the pizza dough and just stretch it with your hands and with also the rolling pin. So this should not be as thick as the earlier base that we made. So it should be quite thin. Now here I've taken a plate and a knife to just stencil out the dough into a circular shape. It would be easier if the shape is circular, as you can see. Now with the help of a fork, just pinch and poke some holes on the base. Now take a greased plate and to it add the pizza base, the uncooked pizza base, and then put some cheese slices. Now put the cooked base and just stretch the bottom base on top of the top base and stick them together. So be careful that your base doesn't have holes in this step or gets punctured in this step. And then with the help of a spoon, just spread the dough and tightly so that it sticks properly. Then take a fork and again just poke some holes with the fork, and then apply some pizza topping on the base of the pizza evenly, and then add some cheddar cheese. So here I'm adding cheddar cheese. So you can add any other cheese, for example mozzarella cheese or any other. Then here I'm adding some onions, tomatoes, green capsicum, some roasted and boiled mushrooms. So you can skip this if you don't eat mushrooms. Now add corn, and now add cheddar cheese again. So you can use mozzarella cheese also, but I like using cheddar cheese because it's earlier chopped and grated. Then here I've added some salt in a kadhai, and you have to let this preheat for 15 to 20 minutes. And now as you can see the greased plate, on the greased plate I've put it the pizza. So apply some water at the sides of the base, and I've also added some oregano on the top, and you can add chili flakes, and then just keep it in the kadhai which is preheated for 15 minutes, and you have to cook it for 40 to 45 minutes or until the pizza gets light golden brown. The pizza's base gets light golden brown, and your easy delicious cheese burst mushroom pizza is ready, guys. So try this recipe and comment down if you like this. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel for more such recipes, and also follow us on Instagram. We will put the link in the description, and I will also put the link of the earlier pizza in the description so that it would be easier for you to check it out. Thank you.